Hello everyone. Today's topic is calendar. Under calendars, we would be learning how to calculate the odd days. Related to that, there are certain questions on that. First of all, let us see what is odd day. So we know what is in calendar. A complete year calendar, we can say like of 2023. Now, under that calendar, we know that 7 days make you a 1 week. So in 1 week, we have 7 days. Similarly, in a year, we have 365 days or 366 days. So in a calendar, we can say ordinary year has a 365 days, and when you will divide that by 7, you will come to know that it is 52 weeks and 1 days. Similarly, in a leap year, we'll say that is 52 weeks and 2 odd days. So that is the reason ordinary year has 1 odd day and a leap year has 2 odd days. Similarly, a century year, that is ethnic with 00. You must have seen the last video that is of a leap year. You must have seen that and you must have understood that what is a leap year, and under that what is the century year that ends with 00. So again, coming up to the same point, we would be using this point again and again, that an ordinary year has 1 odd day and a leap year has 2 odd days. Now, to find an odd day, what we have to do is we have to divide that number by 7. For example, if I'll tell you that I have 50 days, so I will divide 50 by 7, and whatever the remainder is, that would be the number of odd days. So, calculate the odd days. First example, 74. When you will divide that by 7, you will get 7 into 10, that is 70 days. That makes up 10 weeks, and 4 is the odd days. Similarly, there are 2 examples, that is 101 and 154. Simply you have to divide that by 7, and that will give you the number of weeks. 14 weeks, 22 weeks, and whatever the remainder is, that is the odd days. Similarly, try to calculate. If you have 119 days or you have 146 days, so how can you calculate the number of odd days? This is a simple question. But in your aptitude test, there are certain different kind of questions under odd days. Let's see what these questions are. So, if today is Monday, what would be after 51 days? So again same, taking that 51 divided by 7, whatever odd number you will get, then you have to add up those things. Let's see. 51 divided by 7, that is 7 into 7, 49, that would be 7 weeks, and 2 is the remainder. So if 49th day is Monday, you have to add 2 days, that would be Tuesday and Wednesday. So if today is Monday, after 51 days, it would be Wednesday. Similarly, if on Sunday we have Jan 1st 2006, what would be the day of week on Jan 1 2010? So here you have to calculate from 2006 to 2007. So 2007 is your ordinary year, 2008 is your leap year, 2009 again ordinary year. So you have to calculate, and in every year we know if it is an ordinary year, it would be 1 odd day. If it is a leap year, we have 2 odd days. Similarly, the total number of years from 2006 till 2007, we have 4, and 1 is a leap year, so that is having 2 odd days. So total 5 odd days. So if Jan was 1st, that is January 1st, 2006 is Sunday, you have to add 5 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Sunday would be the first, and adding up 5. So Friday would be January 1st, 2010. Now this is we came forward. Similarly, you can come in the reverse direction also. There could be a reverse question, that if on Sunday 1st 2006 it is Sunday, then what would be on Jan 1st 2004? So this way you have to go backwards from Sunday, that is 2006 till 2005 and 2004. So it would be either backward or forward. You have to just calculate and add up those many days. These are few questions for you. You can take the screenshot and try it out later. Hope it was clear. Very simple. Odd days, just divide by 7. You'll get your answer. Thank you so much.